Alright guys, we're going to be doing a bike check on our new sponsor, Playskool. Let's go. Hold on, mate. Okay, first off here, we have our brand new Fit Chromes with our long neck ODIs. You know how we roll. Our stem's going to be coming in soon. You know, our bike's just pretty smoking right now. We have our broken actual clamp right here. You know, if you didn't see, our tires are coming off. What else? Oh yeah, we got this brand spanking new red plastic 50 mil Haro forks. Bring it up to the back side. We have an adjustable seat button. You know, we have our fucking shitty ass fucking things here. You know us, just rolling in with 10 pounds. Oh crap, that's almost gonna come off soon. And this edge is coming off too. With the Fit Playskool Fit rims, styrofoam, kind of. So thank you all for checking out. It's gonna get your fudge.